Welcome guys to CAD/CAM CAE tutorial point. Here I am Himadri Datto. I have made some of the mechanical design and job interview and tutorials videos. Please subscribe my channel if you are a mechanical guy. So let's go to our topic. So today's topic is I have just designed one dustbin in SolidWorks. Here there are the two wheels and this is the perfect design. I have colored this green color and there is one shuffle and this is the barrel, and it is a very good design. In this way I have designed this. Please view a watch. Please see a watch of this beautiful design of the dustbin design. If you want to do a tutorial video about this design, please comment below and subscribe my channel for ANSYS, CATIA, SolidWorks, everything tutorial videos in free. Please subscribe my channel and just see these designs. Just see these designs in different view. If you want to this tutorial, please comment below. Thanks to subscribe my channel. Thanks for the view. Thank you all.